It's a beautiful day. Hello, friends. Good morning. My name is Mary. Today, I want to show you my morning routine. And after that, I will go to the market. So, follow me. Let's have a simple day and practice English together. Now I will brush my teeth. I do this every morning. It helps me feel fresh and clean. I will start my morning with a warm cup of tea and freshly baked bread. Watch how I prepare it and enjoy every step. Oh, this is so good. I like cutting my bread into small slices so that I can spread my butter evenly. So, I just finished taking my bathe in the bathroom. This is my simple skincare routine. I use water and a little cream. Nothing special. Very easy. What should I wear now? I'm going to the market today. So I will wear something simple and comfortable. This jeans and shirt looks really simple and nice for a market day. I will wear it. This looks nice and simple. Oh, my hair is not good. I'm combing it now. Okay, it's better now. Am ready. Let's go. Selfie time. The weather is so beautiful today. Good morning, Mr. Sam.
Good morning, Mary. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine too. Where are you going?
I'm going to the market.
Okay. Have a great day.
Thank you. I'm at the market now. The fruits and vegetables here are very nice and fresh. Good morning. I like these fruits.
Good morning. Which one do you want?
I want bananas and veggies, please.
Okay.
How much is it?
2 for 500.
Okay, give me two.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, I also want apples today. They look very fresh. Okay. How much is this, please?
3 for 300.
Okay, I will take three.
Okay.
I like shopping here. The people are friendly and the food is fresh. Okay, friends. I have bought everything I need from the market. Now I am going home. I'm back at home now. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this simple vlog. Please write in the comments section the simple English words you learned and practiced with me today. Subscribe for more slow English videos. See you next time. Bye bye.